Welcome back, Harbro, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the end of May, beginning of June, super coupons. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And let's just go ahead and jump in. These will start at the end of this current round's super coupons, which end the 25th. So these will start the 26th. But let's just go ahead and dive in and get started. First, Hercules alert. 15 amp, 66 pound. 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with max vibration control, $530. Normally $650, $120 off, and quick math check, that's $130 off, so just under 20%. Next we have Atlas, the 80 volt 2.5 amp hour and 40 volt 5.5 amp hour lithium ion battery at $110, $30 off. Normally $140. Be about $28, so just over 20% off, which is a solid discount. Central Machinery, the 20-inch 3-speed high-velocity fan, $45, normally $60, 25% off. Warrior security bit set with case, 100 piece, $8, normally $10, 20% off. Hercules alert again, a couple of Hercules alert. The 4.5 inch by 0.04 inch, 7/8 inch Type 0141 metal cutoff wheels, 10 pack. $9, normally $13, 30% off. And then Hercules titanium drill bit set, 21 piece, $20, normally $25, save $5, 20% off. Compared to Milwaukee, more Atlas 40 volt and 80 volt dual voltage standard battery charger at $40, normally $60, 33% off. And Hercules again, 10 amp 12 pound SDS max type demolition hammer with max vibration control, $230, normally $270, $40 off. Bauer 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch number 1 black oxide step drill bit, 13 steps, and number 2 6 steps, and number 3 9 steps, $15, normally $20, 25% off. We have a couple of Warrior 3.2 amp 3/8 inch variable speed drill, $15, normally $18, 16% off compared to Black and Decker. Then Warrior 18 volt cordless reciprocating saw kit and battery charger, $40, 20% off, normally $50 compared to Ryobi. Hercules 4-inch to 5-inch surface grinding dust shroud, $25, 37% off. We will right click and save 37% off for the dust shroud. Steep discount for our Hercules item. Steal of a deal. Warrior again, cordless micro engraver with diamond tipped ballpoint, $749, 37% off as well. Normally $12. Mini deep dive to see what people are engraving with these. I think we saw this before. 4.3, 88%. This is true. We've seen this. Art on some glass. Engrave your chargers. Great tool. Been wanting for a while. Handy little tool. Great product. Engraving some tabs. Excellent option. Bauer 5.5 amp cut out tool, $30, 25% off, normally $40. Bauer's 8-inch spiral and loose cotton buffing wheels, 2-piece, $8, 20% off, normally $10. These look fun. Bauer again. 100-inch by 1/4 inch 6 TPI wood cutting bandsaw blade, $10, normally $13, 23% off. We have Bauer again, the 100-inch by 1/2 inch 4 TPI wood cutting bandsaw blade, $10, 23% off. And then Hercules again, 2-inch by 48-inch sanding belts with ceramic alumina grain 2-pack. Did it, $10, normally $12, 16% off. Available in 80 grit and 120 grit. Onto hand tools. We have Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, titanium nitride coated alloy, steel tap and die set, 45 piece, $69.99, 22% off, normally $90, SAE or metric as options compared to Irwin. And then we do have an Icon Alert tap and die set, 41 piece at down to $130, normally $150, $20 off. Your choice of SAE or metric. $30 would be 20% off. So this is well below that. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, fully polished SAE and metric combination wrench set, 22 piece, $16, 20% off. It is a lifetime warranty. We got a couple of Quinn alerts here. Quinn lifetime warranty, 3/4 inch drive impact socket set, 8 piece. Your choice of SAE or metric. That's $40. Normally $50, 20% off is not solid. We do see these go up to 35, 40% off. But if you're in the market for it, 20% off is within our minimum guide of picking up one of these items. Quinn 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric master socket set, 54 piece, This is 45 bucks, normally $55, so save $10, 18% off compared to Tecton, and it is lifetime warranty. Icon alert again. This is the 58-inch professional pry bar with curved tip, 85 bucks, normally $100, $15 off. This is one of those flash sales that was going on. There's been a couple deep discounts on these Harbros. Remind me what it was, but was it 50% off? It's down to $50 or was it 60 bucks? Anyway, solid deal if you get it on a flash sale. $15 in this case is only 15% off. That's our bare minimum. But we do have a couple more Icon lifetime warranty, 3/8-inch drive, oil filter socket sets, 7-piece, 30 bucks, and only $55, 45% off. I can confidently say this is going to be the lowest price, 45% off on an Icon 3/8-inch drive oil filter socket set. That's a steal of a deal, ladies and gents. Crazy discount on a super coupon. Next, Icon again, the 8-inch fast adjust push button slip joint pliers at $20, normally 25 bucks, 20% off is solid. Then we have Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 8-pound hickory sledgehammer at $20, 20% off, normally 25 bucks. Then we end it with some Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 4 3/4-inch long nose pliers, $2, normally $3, 33% off. And then a Deja Vu 4. Well, no, these are slightly different. They have different stock items. 4 3/4-inch bent long nose pliers. I missed that part. Bent long nose pliers, also $2, normally $3, 33% off. And of course, Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. On to air tools and compressors. McGraw 21-gallon 175 PSI oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor, $240, $30 off. That's 3.6 Rotkin. Dyatlov deal, normally $270. We have the Pittsburgh 12 120 volt dual power 120 PSI tire inflator with LED light, $40, normally $50, 20% off. Then we have Central Pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun 1.4 millimeter nozzle at $10, normally $17, 41% off. We have Banks 3-in-1 framing nailer, $100, $20 off. Avanti's high performance handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $100, normally $120, $20 off. And these are hugely discounted normally. Is this in the parking lot sale? Keep an eye on that. Merlin 1/2-inch by 50-foot rubber air hose at 1/2-inch MPT fittings, $40, normally $50, 20% off compared to DeWalt. Then we have the Central Pneumatic 1-inch pistol grip air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,500 pounds, $169.99, normally $220, $50 off. Then we have Holt Industries automatic air grease gun, $60, normally $69.99 compared to Lincoln, 14% off. And then we have Chief professional air punch and flange tool, $50, normally $69.99 as well, 28% off compared to Matco. And we move into tool storage and organization, starting with Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case long, $120, normally $150, $30 off. That puts us at exactly 20% off. So decent deal. We do see these again go up to 40% off. So if you need it, great. If you can wait, definitely hang tight for a 35 to 40% off all Apache. It will happen. US General alert, 30-inch one drawer service cart, $100, normally $140, $40 off. That's a solid deal. This gets this down to $100. Saving $28 would be 20%. Saving 28, basically 29% off on this US General. And this is outside of a flash sale, which it might have been a little bit cheaper, better than storage days, 29% off. So this is a great deal on this service cart one drawer. Good choice. Then we have the adjustable height mobile service tray, $80, $30 off. Solid discount. Both of these compared to Snap-on. And we have Storehouse 74 bin mobile double-sided floor rack, $130, normally $150, $20 off. And then US General 15 compartment adjustable pliers rack, $13, normally $18, 27% off. And did they update the picture? I feel like these normally, oh no, this is a different one. Sometimes the pliers racks, they don't show any pliers in them. $18 compared to Snap-on. Who has these? Who's used these before to organize their pliers? 3.9 stars, not that excellent. But let's see what people say. Alternate use. I used 8 adjustable pliers racks, welding rods, cotter pins to build 2 magazine racks. Okay, clever. Clever girl. Different purposes. Bought 2 of these. One didn't fit my drawer, so I found another use for it. Organized sandpaper, great. could be improved. Okay plier holder, but could definitely be better. Great for the price, but the tabs move when you remove a set of pliers. Okay. Great value, does not fit 15 pliers. That's a lot of pliers. Nice design, holds pliers well. Fits my box drawers perfectly. Biggest issue, tool truck pliers and even the Icon ones are too thick on the handle to fit. I use this for a different purpose, but it works great. Okay, so some decent organization propositions. We have Badland 3-ton off-road jack, $300, $80 off, normally $380. We remember when this 3-ton jack was priced at $299. This used to be the regular price, and now there's a super coupon for it at $80 off. So from that sense, decent discount, but we know that this used to be $299. But 21% off, not bad. Get it for the original price that it came out at. Centec, new 200 amp 6 and 12 volt wheeled automatic battery charger with engine jump start, 140, 46,000 rockin', only $10 off. Only $10 off. Pittsburgh, 1,000-pound capacity engine stand, $81, $19 off. That's 19% off, normally $100. The Badland ZXR, 9,500-pound truck SUV winch with wire rope, $280, normally $330, $50 off. 14-ounce brake clean, non-chlorinated brake parts cleaner, $5, normally $8, 37% off. Central Machinery 1500-watt steam cleaner kit, $100, normally $130, $30 off. Centec 0.75 amp 12-volt deluxe battery maintainer float charger, $17, normally $20, 15% off. We have Icon Alert again, 400-pound capacity, 43-inch professional creeper, 110 down from 140, $30 off. We will just double check. 21% off, almost 22% off for the Icon creeper is a solid deal. We have Hallmaster, 1/4-ton lever manual chain hoist, $50, normally $65, 23% off. Pittsburgh 3-job puller set, 4-piece, $30, normally $40, 25% off there. Instant on-off telescoping flow through brush, $17, 22% off. Holt Industries pneumatic air operated brake bleeder with auto refill kit, $69.99 is nice. Normally $100, $30 off. That's 30% off. Viking 20-foot 4-gauge heavy-duty jumper cables, $22, 21% off, normally $28. And this funnel set 4-piece, which don't think I've forgotten, Harbro. Then if you've gotten this far, we're right in the thick of it. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to give away this Build-A-Bag that we built. And these were included in it. We have this 4-piece funnel set, $1, 50% off, great deal. And on the screen they look orange, but in person they're red, so just FYI. Pittsburgh 12-foot 8-gauge jumper cables, $12, normally $14, 14% off. We have the 32-ounce hydraulic jack oil at $649, normally $8, 18% off. Icon Alert again, Icon's heavy-duty commercial truck U-joint puller, $90, $20 off, normally $110. And then we have the Pittsburgh 20-gallon portable oil lift drain pan at $150, normally $190, $40 off. And we have the Pittsburgh 48-inch box frame level, $12, 20% off, normally $15. Onto Lawn and Garden propane torch, $25, 16% off. Drummond's 1-horsepower cast iron shallow well pump with pressure control switch at $190, $20 off. More Drummond, the 1/2-horsepower cast iron transfer pump, 1,525 gallons per hour, $90, $20 off. We have the Atlas lawnmower, and this is a good time to just remind everybody that we have Memorial Day sale coming up at the end of this month, which will be 20% off any single item if you're ITC, and the deal technically is 1 use per day, so you technically could use it 4 times throughout the weekend, but it's 20% off any single item for ITC, and we know 20% off of $270 is $54 off. So just keep that in mind for all these coupons as we're going through it. If there's an item you really want, just know 20% off minimum should be our comparison right now, because we're getting that for Memorial Day. We continue, $240, $30 off. Atlas, more. Then we have the 32-inch by 15-inch, 10-inch medium animal trap at $25, 16% off. Bowers 20-volt cordless, 96 miles per hour. Jet fan blower tool, only $45, 18% off. Drummond 750-gallon per hour drill pump, $13, 27% off. Bowers 2120-volt Lithium ion dual power cordless transfer pump tool only $80, 11% off. And the Atlas 40-volt cordless 24-inch hedge trimmer tool only $50, 13% off. Requires the 40 or 80-volt Atlas battery. Home and security, the Armstrong 23 to 65-inch TV mount, $18, 48% off is nuts. HFT 6 outlet power strip with metal housing, $20, 20% off. 1 gallon degreaser at $8, 38% off. Super heavy duty degreaser, non-corrosive. Then we have welding, Chicago Electric welding cylinder cart at $65, 13% off. And the Chicago Electric 100-pound capacity welding cart, $45, 18% off. We have storehouse in the house 400-foot wire spool rack, $35, only $40, 12% off. With a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 5 3/4-inch needle nose pliers at $2, 33% off. And the Pittsburgh 4.5-inch diagonal cutters at $1.49, 50% off. 81mm round magnet at $4, 33% off. Hardy vinyl gloves 100-pack, $4.99, 37% off. Franklin's 80-inch by 144-inch extra large double-sided moving blanket, $13, 35% off. Hardy's split leather work gloves with cotton back, five pairs, $6.99, normally $10, 30% off. And we have the Hardy goatskin leather gloves with mesh back at $8, 20% off, normally $10. Painting with a paint kit, 9-piece, $10, 23% off. The 4-foot by 15-foot canvas drop cloth at $10, 16% off. We do have some Braun 900 lumen rechargeable swivel head LED flashlight at $20, 20% off. Luminar, the Luminar Everyday 100 lumen swivel lens LED headlamp, $2, 50% off. You just use this as some wedding favors. Braun 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light, $4.99, normally $8, 37% off. It is magnetic. And then we have the brand new, how long has this been brand new for? Brand new Braun UV leak detector. Be careful where you're shining it. LED flashlight, $5, normally $8, 37% off. And those are our Harbor Freight May to June super coupons. And I think we had some decent ones in here. I saved a couple. Icon and Hercules alerts, but definitely some decent deals. US General Cart, I'm a fan. Either way, let me know what you think. Let me know how the super coupons, which ones you think are really good. And I'll leave it at that, Harbros. As usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.